Hey guys, it's Sundown and welcome back to my channel. So tonight what I'm going to do is a tutorial that I learned from, her name is Anahi, and she is Pretty Paper Things on Instagram and YouTube. And so I created my own. It is a, what is this? So it's a page protector that has been fused with shaker bits inside to be a treat bag. So basically I fused it together, then you can put treats inside of here. For instance, we'll just use this twine. This could be your little gift to your friend, embellishments and such. Okay, technical difficulties. And then you have a bag topper, and you won't want to really glue it down, maybe staple it down so that way your recipient can reuse this. So yeah, or it could just be a good way to give shaker bits to your friends. They could just cut it open and take out all the shakers. So what you're going to need for this project is you're going to need your fuse tool. I didn't use my sewing machine because I broke the thread in the bobbin, and my son is the one who puts it back together for me. So I'm just going to use my fuse tool because a lot of people can't sew, and I'm not that great at it either, but I try. Something else that you're going to need is you're going to need a page protector. You're going to need some sequins, whichever you choose. And then you're going to need the little ruler for the fuse tool. And I think that's about it, all that we need. So I'm just going to get started and try to show you how I created this treat bag. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fold this in half. And in order for it to really work good, I had to do it quite a few times, back and forth, just to make sure there's a good crease. Because this is pretty good quality page protector, and I got it, I believe, from Walmart. It was a little more of the good quality. All right, so what you're gonna do is, see, here is your opening. You're gonna put sequins into the bottom. Oh, what we're gonna do is we're gonna first make our sequins mix. And these are the 10s from Tuesday morning. So I'm just gonna make my own little sequins mix. Mixing these colors together is really pretty. It's the same ones that I used on the other one. Okay, and then I used some of this. Where's my spoon? These are seed beads from Dollar Tree. Okay. These containers that I have here are from Harbor Freight, and they look like this. And I totally got this idea from Craft Purge. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Some gold. Cute! So cute! Oh, I love it. You're going to want to get the sequins to the bottom half of the page protector. All right. And then what we're going to do is fuse it along here. Okay, and then what I use to protect my mat, because you see I've already ruined it here. Oops, as I use an old mat that I don't mind fusing on. Okay, and you take your ruler. Do it this way. And just line it up here. Make sure your fuse tool is nice and hot. Okay. And I flip my ruler upside down because these ridges get in the way. Those glue things. So I don't go too fast or too slow to try to get a good seal. And then I do it again. Okay, now I gotta move it down. Okay, and then I flip it over and I do the other side. I hope I'm in frame. Okay, move this up. Okay, that feels pretty good. My fuse tool is nice and hot, so let's see how we're doing here. Yep, that's nice and sealed. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put sequins into the top part. Let me lift this up just a little bit so you can... There we go. That is the rest of them. Now, what we're going to do is seal this part. Make sure all the air is out. I forgot to tell you that on the first part. Okay. This mat doesn't really burn, so that's good. Sorry, Teresa Collins, but it volunteered as tribute. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm gonna go back again. Okay. I really like the fuse tool. It's kind of addicting. I don't feel like people use it much anymore. I actually just learned how to use it. All right, so now, yep, that's nice and sealed. What you got is this. Look at that sequence mix. Isn't that cute? All right, so now we're going to seal the bottom. And then we'll cut this part off in a minute. In just a minute. Okay, we got all lined up at the 10. I'm just saying 10 because it's 10 on my board here. Alrighty, and away we go. I'm going to do it again. Alright, I'm going to flip it over. Oh, I forgot to flip that one over. I can go back and do that. I just do this just to make sure. I hate for all the sequins parts to start falling out when the recipient just touches it. It really doesn't need to be done on the back when this is really hot, but why not? All right, let's go back over here. This is the back side of the side we just did before this side. I forgot to do that earlier. I've only done like one tutorial before when I first started, so I mean, it's not something that comes very natural to me. Some people are real good at making videos. All right, and I gotta move it up. Okay, so now, yeah, that's nice and sealed. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut off this part. Make sure you don't cut your fuse where you fused, because you'll compromise the integrity of where you fused. There we go. And then here is where you put your gift to your pen pal. I didn't have anything else to put in here. Your embellishments, whatever you want to put in here. And you just take a bag topper and just place it on top. And there you go. Isn't that cute? And it's so easy. Also, something else you can do is you can like laminate the sequins on lamination paper and then fuse it together. Yep. Alrighty. Well, please excuse me, it's like one of my first tutorials. I hope I explained everything okay. If not, I'll just learn from it and do better next time. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. Pretty.